Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice for beginners. Do you finish your salary too fast every month? Do you promise to save money, but somehow your wallet still becomes empty? Today's lesson will help you fix that, starting now. Because in this video, Tom is going to teach Lina a super simple rule that anyone can follow, even if you have never budgeted before. It's easy, it's practical, and it can change the way you use money forever. So stay with us and learn step by step while watching real-life situations. Easy English listening and speaking practice for beginners.
Lina, why do you look so serious today?
I think I have a problem.
A big problem or a small problem?
A money problem. I got paid last week, and now my wallet is empty.
Already? What did you spend it on?
Food, snacks, a cute dress, a new phone case, 3 bubble teas.
3 bubble teas in 1 week?
It was a stressful week.
Lina, you need a better plan for your money. Maybe we should take a closer look together.
Yes, please. I really need help.
Don't worry. Let's sit down and talk about it.
You know, Lina, many people have this problem, but we can fix it with a budget.
Budget? Sounds like homework.
It's easier than homework. A budget is just a simple plan for how to use your money.
A plan? Like a map?
Exactly. A map that tells your money where to go.
Nice. I need a money GPS.
I'll teach you a simple rule. 50, 30, 20.
Does it hurt?
Only a little. It means 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings.
What is a need? Food?
Yes, food, rent, bills, transportation. Things you must pay to live.
And wants?
Things you like but don't need. New clothes, bubble tea.
Hey, why does bubble tea keep getting attacked?
Okay, how much money do you make per month?
I make $500.
Good. So 50% of $500 is...
Half, $250.
Right. That's how much you can spend on needs.
I think I can do that.
Next, 30% for wants.
30% of $500 is $150.
Perfect. And how much for savings?
500 minus 250 minus 150 equals 100.
See? Budgeting is not scary.
Maybe a little scary.
Write every expense here, even small ones.
Even 50 cents?
Yes, small spending becomes big spending.
Like small bubble teas become big problems?
Finally, you understands.
Today I will be strong. No extra spending.
Great. Let's start with needs first.
But Tom, shoes are also needs.
For walking, yes, but not every week.
Here is my list. Rice, eggs, vegetables, milk, chicken.
Very good. A list helps stop impulse buying.
Impulse buying. That's buying something suddenly, right?
Exactly. You see it, you want it, you buy it.
Story of my life. Tom, look! Sale!
Stay strong, Lina. Focus on the list.
But it's 30% off.
On the list?
No.
Then stay away.
This one is $5.50 for 1 kilogram. This one is $4.80 for 1 kilogram.
So the cheaper one is better.
Yes, for simple items. Always compare prices.
What if the expensive one tastes better?
Then choose based on your budget and situation.
Budget, Tom. You make life serious.
Responsible, not serious. Your total is $27.80.
Under $30? I did it!
See, planning saves money. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. I need to record it now. I'm a budgeting woman.
Proud of you.
Monday groceries, $27.80. Remaining wants money, $122.20.
You are doing very well.
It feels good to see the numbers.
That's the power of budgeting. 3 beginner tips. 1. Make a budget before the month starts. 2. Write down everything you spend. 3. Review your money once a week.
And drink fewer bubble teas.
Exactly.
Tom, can I buy bubble tea tomorrow?
Do you have money in your wants budget?
Yes. I still have $122.20.
Then sure. You earned it.
Yay! Budgeting is not about saying no. It's about choosing wisely.
Well said.
Everyone watching, try the 50-30-20 rule this week and tell us how it goes.
And remember, you control your money. Don't let your money control you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something useful, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. Your support helps us make more lessons for you.